Thanks for coming over. I'd like to share with you a brief overview of the 7 secret confessions of network marketing millionaires. They're all based on concepts, proven concepts that all the most successful businesses use. The first one is what I call the New Age business, and that's about taking your business to the next level via the internet online. The second secret is promoting You Inc. And You Inc. is about it's all about you. You're out there promoting you, not your product, not your business. This gives your long-term value for your efforts that can be moved transparently from one product to the next, without losing any forward momentum. And remember, these secrets are work congruent with each other. You try to apply the first one, and you work on top of that one with the following ones to build a rock solid foundation for your network marketing business. And this is really the key to financial success with network marketing. And without the internet and without all these secret foundation blocks, what I could call each of these secrets, you can quickly fail, and you won't be available to or have any more money to do the next marketing, whatever, and then you may have to go back and pick up your JOB again, which I'd hate to see you do that. And so the next secret is what I call be the personal expert, and this is all around personal branding. When you brand yourself and you get your message out there, yourself, when you put your name behind it, this gives the viewing public that you're somewhat of an expert. And as an expert, the public's going to be attracted to you because they want to know what you're doing. And so again, that's a powerful secret. Number 4 is take it high with top tier. I did discuss that in my previous video in quite detail. Again, it's about high commissions, the importance of not settling for those $100 and $200 commissions, but going after those $1,000 commissions, those $1,000, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $8,000, or even $10,000 commissions on that effort of one sale. And number 5 secret is what I call tiny creek to raging river. Take that tiny creek of income and turn it into a raging river, where your bank account's at the mouth collecting all this income. It's all about multiple streams of income. Without multiple streams, with any business, you won't be successful. These streams, you have to look at it like going into a supermarket. They don't just sell one item; they sell thousands and thousands of items. And with your internet business, you can take on that same concept. It's not unusual to have 10 or more income streams from one website or one core top tier product. So that's what you need to keep in mind. And then number 6 secret, this is what I call the dark side secret. It's lurking just around the corner, ready to pounce on you anytime you don't expect it. And sometimes it happens no matter what you do. And what I call don't hang the going out of business sign. And it's really about focusing on what it takes. You have to step out of your comfort zone. Some of these things we do are quite uncomfortable. For me, before I started doing the things I do on a continuous basis now in my home-based business, this was really tough for me too. And so you have to move forward with everything you do. And then moving forward and for most people in this type of business is doing something that you've never done before. Go out there and do it. And you can't look at it as anything that you do may not come out with the exact results that you expected, but look at the positive side. There's always a positive side to everything that you do. It may not turn exactly out what you want, but you did receive something out of it, whether it was the experience, or maybe you only gathered one lead, or you discovered something new that you really thought you could do. You may even have a passion for it. You never know. And then the last secret is turning what I call your business on autopilot. And this is about automation. Automation creates a business that allows you to walk away and spend unlimited time with your family, go out and do the things you want to do, whether it's play golf or, you know, take your kids to the movie, whatever you want to do. You know, go visit your kids during lunchtime at their school. You know, that'd be unexpected for them. They would never expect that. And so, you know, in the information below, I've shared, you know, quite detailed information about the 7 secret confessions of network marketing millionaires. There's quite a bit of information there. I know it's a long read, but be patient and read through it. There's some big nuggets in there. There's some gold nuggets in there. And also, don't forget, at the bottom of the page there is a bonus report. There's actually 2 of them. You know, click on those and check those out. There's some useful information on those pages as also. These are what they call, you know, insider secrets that some of my company founders would like to share with you. So thanks, and I appreciate you coming and visiting my website with information.